Yeah. Hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Yeah, my name is King Rhymes, a co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yes, I welcome everyone, especially the new subscribers. I say you're welcome to your fresh and new episode here. We also talk about how to make money online, dollar arbitrage, stock market, and at times to talk about tech. Yeah, but please, if you haven't subscribed yet, I beg you, do justice to that. Let's reach 4K before the month end. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can double your USDT. People be saying, like how. That is why Rana Talk is here to show you the way. Yeah, and always if you want to know the way, it's Rando Tech. So don't forget, subscribe and let's move on. Yeah. So I want to show you some particular app that can help you save USDT and you get 2.5 interest. Yeah. So the name of the app is called Acre. And I will leave the link in my description. A lot of people are saying, please, where's the link? Where's the link? That's why I said always the link is in my what? In my description. If you don't know the description, that's the down there before the comments session. Yeah. So if you open the Acre and you register, yeah, me I registered this one. This a demo account, like for demonstration account, yeah, to my YouTubers because I don't want to always use my real account to show you. Nah, people be saying that, oh, this guy want to brag, this one want to see, this guy want us to know the amount is. That's why I don't do that. Yeah. So when you open an account, this is how it is. So I've already shown you how you can deposit. So okay, let me show you again. Yeah. So before you can save your USDT and make daily profits, this is how you do it. First of all, you will deposit. And depositing money, you can deposit the money. Have you seen the first one? That's the cash wrap. Yeah, you can deposit the money through MTN mobile money, Vodafone cash, Airtel to go money, bank account. That's the instant pay or Echo Bank. Or you can deposit the money through your network, crypto network. So you can choose the coin, let's say Bitcoin, and you choose the network. It's right then. Yeah, you can deposit this thing. So after depositing the money, this is how you save your money and earn interest from it. So have we seen that we have cards, we have save, we have invest, and we have exploit. So we will go to what save. Yeah. So in 2.5% PA paid daily. And 2.5 PA paid daily. Yeah. So you can see the goals, popular goals. We have popular goals over here, but that one I will let you know later. Yeah. So after that, this how it is. So you have challenge, we have Vout, we have saving pockets, we have invites. So let me explain everything to you one after the other. One after the other. Yeah. So the challenge. So this one you earn daily. You earn daily profit, like daily interest. Daily. Yeah. So when I go to challenge, so the challenge, we have challenges, and the challenge is let's say I say okay, every day I will deposit three USD, three USD. So if you deposit the 3 USD every day, you can join. So let's see the first challenge. So challenge target is what $90. Frequency is what $3 daily. Deadline is what first February. So if you can like jump straight to this challenge, is this how you want to do. So this challenge, you have to what deposit $3 daily till first February. You have to what deposit $3 till first February. And if you are able to do this, you earn you this month and earn what plus 1% dollar interest. So apart from the 2.5 interest you'll be getting, you also get what plus 1% dollar interest. Yeah, so that's it. So if you want to start saving, this is how you do it. Have you seen the start saving here? You click on it and you say you have goals, you have challenge vows and what. So let's say save towards personal goals. So I'll say start. So first of all, you will name your goal. You will name the goal. So let's say agenda 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 300 USDT. So description description. Let's say so next 3 months. Target $300. Deadline, let's say deadline, you can say, let's say okay, March 1st. You see how much can you save now. Let's say 20. You see, and so after that you click on continue. So this is it. So have you seen the enable auto save? So the auto save, this is how you do it. So let's assume that you have 1,000 USDT in your account, and if you start saving and you enable the auto save, that means every day it will save for you. So let's say you have 1,000 USDT right now, and you start doing the savings. So yeah, so tomorrow it will deduct you 20 USDT. Tomorrow next 20 USDT. You see, yeah, that's how this thing work. But you can choose not to switch it on. So when I switch it on, you'll be saving. So let's say every day let's say 5 USDT. So daily, you have weekly and what? So I want daily. You see, yeah, you see that thing, yeah. So after enable everything and you click on continue on, you start the first after like starting the saving. You have to what deposit first amount first. Let's say when I was starting, they told me that how much can you save now. So that means I said that I will save 20 USDT right now. So that one, they will deduct that one from account. So every day I can say that okay, every day you have to deduct me 3 USDT, 3 USDT, 3 USDT, and daily you'll be getting 2.5% paid daily. Yeah, 2.5%. Yeah. Hey Charlie, I want to sleep. Oh. Hey Charlie, I'm tired. I'm tired, bro. Yeah. So we have Vout. So the Vout 2, you click here, and we have what from founding balance, saving balance. So the Vout 2, you can start, but I would advise you not to like 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 save from the saving pocket. Do it founding balance. Yeah, founding balance. Yeah, and the founding balance is where you deposit the money, and the saving balance is where you are saving. Yeah, so you name your vault. It's like how like you are doing the savings, and the reason why it's vault is that it's a lock account. So let's say okay, let me do for you to see. Let's say name your vault. Let's say 6 months. 6 months to 6 months. That one day is your own. How you can do your own. How much do you want to lock? So let's say 1,000. So the reason why I said 1,000 is that before you can lock or you can start saving in vaults, you have to what deposit that particular amount. So it's not like saving that every day they will deduct you money. Nah, and this one is that okay, like you are doing like treasure bill. You see that thing. So when I come to the bank, I say, okay, yo, bro, put this money in your bank, and I'll come for it plus interest 6 months later. You see, yeah. So if you go there, let's say 2 months later, they will not give the money to you because it's a vout, and you said that you will come for a 6 months later. So they will lock your money till what, the 6 months later. Yeah. So I would advise you not to do, like, not to involve yourself in these things which was a loan money. Don't do that. Nah, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Like, you have to what, like, invest with the money that you think that, oh, this money there, that's a whole your money, like, it's that thing. Yeah, don't put money that you know that, Charlie, any money you need it. Don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. So doing this thing, it's what lock the $1,000. That is why they ask you that, where do you want to lock the money? We have saving pockets and we have what, founding balance. The founding balance is what, you lock it and you continue. Yeah. So it means that every day when you go to the your vault, you will not be able to withdraw the money to 6 months. And I think it's very, 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 very cool. Yeah, it's very, very cool. Charlie, I want to sleep. I want to sleep. So I think I'm done. And thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.